How to find clipboard history in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find and view your clipboard history in Windows 11. So now without further ado, let's get started. So clipboard history is super handy because sometimes you copy something and then sometimes you copy something else and the first thing get lost. Since normally you can only copy one thing at a time, with clipboard history you can save multiple items and access them whenever you want. So here first click on the Windows tab, and after that from the pop-up menu simply click on settings to open it. And here once you are inside the settings, on the left sidebar you can see the option labeled as system. So simply click on that. And after that you simply have to scroll down and click on the clipboard. And after that you simply have to toggle on the clipboard history option at the top. And here once you have enabled it, this will allow Windows to save multiple items to your clipboard. And to view your clipboard history at any time, just press Windows key plus V simultaneously and a small window will pop up showing all the items that you have copied recently. So in this video, I've just recently enabled the clipboard history, so there is nothing in the list. But if you have copied something, you'll get the list of that copied items in this tab. And that's it. That's how you can find clipboard history in Windows 11. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.